Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have PHILIPS Fidelio X2 HR headphones, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily plug them into your Windows PC or laptop. So as you may have noticed, we don't have any Bluetooth or 2.3 GHz connection in these headphones. They are just cable for the cable, jack cable. So let's take a look how to plug them. As you can see, at first we have to prepare ourselves a jack to jack cable, which comes with our headphones. And now we have to find a jack hole on our headphones. It is here. So let's plug the jack cable into this. It comes in very easily. And as you may hear a very satisfying click, you have to hear it too to correctly plug the cable into your headphones. Then find the second part of the cable, which I am now searching for. It is here, and you have to plug this into your laptop or PC. Now it is plugged, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.